We're making pork and beans and tomato sauce.
Dun 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 dun.
If we're not alive in the next 2 minutes, you'll know why.
It's gonna take a minute to warm up though.
Yeah.
What temperature did you put it on?
It's like 1.5, a little bit past 5.
Oh, let me get back.
Yeah, exactly. It buzzed. Now you can see.
You said you watched this?
Yep.
Did it bust? Or what happened?
I think you did.
Don't play, Kai. You tripping.
Where you going? Oh,
Way over here said it
over
busted.
there. It's good. It's still good.
Bust on my face, okay? I want metal shards in my beautiful face. You tripping? That's all you.
Well, you see, I'm standing over here, so.
It's just.
Bad thing is that knob to turn it off is literally over it, so you're probably gonna have to get destroyed in order to. Yeah. We gotta do some video editing to speed this up later on.
Tell us about yourself, Kai.
Well, born and raised in New York, and that's about it. That's literally it.
That is not literally it.
That's literally it.
The shortest life story
Yeah.
ever.
Just born and raised in New York. That's all there is to it. I don't know where the sound's coming from.
I was just gonna ask, like,
So.
is it the chicken? It's the chicken because it's bubbling.
Okay.
I think that's the chicken.
Yeah. Oh.
Is the can melting? Oh, the can is getting hot.
Please. That doesn't sound good.
Are you gonna take it off now? How long are you gonna go? That can bust. I am gonna be.
But it's open though.
Yeah. Well, you said you watched the video on it and
Yeah.
it burst or something. Or did they leave the top on and that's why it did that?
No. I thought the lid was popped open. The lid was still on it, but it was pulled all the way back. So let's see. It's on 5, so it can't do much of anything. If it was on high, like you said, you probably already been going by now.
I don't know, but we're making chicken. Let's see. In there we have chicken.
Yes. Stuffed
Wrapped.
chicken breast.
Yeah, with asparagus and like some kind of cheese.
Asparagus, cheese, some seasonings on top. Yeah, it's good. It's gonna be good.
And the side is supposed to be pork and beans.
Yes.
And we-
Old fashioned pork and beans. Old style. Cooking it on the stove.
In the can.
In can. Oh yeah. The way people used to do it back then. I feel like we should turn it up just a little bit.
Okay.
Alright.
As long as you're the one turning it up.
Yeah.
Because I'm not going to be the one.
Alright. Yeah. Oh dear. Oh boy.
I feel you've done this before.
No.
No.
Never. No.
I'm sure this is a thing, like when people are like camping, you know,
Yeah.
and they make a fire and then they probably just like, oh, just put the can right
Yeah,
there.
exactly. Pretty sure it's a thing.
That smells good. chicken.
Oh yeah.
You can't smell it? It smells so good.
Halfway smelling this candle that's lit. Lit candle. We got a little fumes or whatever coming from the can. A little water vapor. Alright. So you know, that's gonna start bubbling soon.
Mm-hmm.
Are you literally eating mushrooms straight?
Mm-hmm. I washed them first. Why?
I've never seen anybody eat mushrooms, like just literally out of the package. Just
Yeah.
they're good.
They're okay. Do it more for the, what you call it? Dietary benefits. They have a lot of vitamin D. And I think I told you I have a vitamin D deficiency.
Yeah.
So I'll just like snack on them every now and again. Just, you know.
I didn't know they were really high in vitamin D.
They have, well, they have vitamin D. So, yes.
Wow. I'm gonna try that next time. Eat a mushroom straight raw.
It's not bad. It's not like bad taste. It's just really, I'd say plain. It's just really plain.
Mushrooms really don't have that much.
Yeah.
They are, like you said, just plain. Alright. So somehow it looks like the tomato sauce.
What's your close today?
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, it looks like that tomato sauce, oh Lord, is it's coming up while the beans going down. So yeah.
Do you ever spruce up your pork and beans like what I used to do? I haven't done it so long. Is take hot dogs, sear the hot dogs in the pan first so they're like seared, and then put pork and beans on top of there so there's actual like hot dogs in there, and then add like a little brown sugar, salt, pepper, maybe some paprika.
Ooh. Never jazzed it up like that. I've only combined pork and beans with chopped up hot dogs. While I cook them first. I didn't sear them really. Just like boiled them and then chopped them up and put them in there. Oh yeah, that sounds good.
Or you don't even have to use hot dogs, or you can use like some kind of sausage.
Yeah, like Italian sausage. That sounds good. And then you said you use paprika and salt and pepper and
And a little brown sugar.
little brown sugar. That sounds so good. Well, hey, you just got baked beans right there. So heck, you just got baked beans right there.
Yeah.
That's
Baked
good.
beans, like they put it in a can, but I feel like, because in cans sometimes it doesn't keep, I don't know if it doesn't keep the flavor, they don't flavor it, it's like to have it freshly like that.
Yeah.
I'm just saying,
I'm just saying. Alright, we're gonna turn it up for the sake of entertainment to 8. 8 means this whole apartment's going up in flames. Oh Lord, I'm gonna get away now.
It's gonna melt or something.
Something's gonna happen. This is a science experiment. But it's still old
It's
school.
gonna bubble over.
Yeah.
Have burnt beans all over.
Burnt beans. Yeah, how is it at the bottom? The beans at the bottom. They probably just getting charred right now, just completely. It was $1.
Oh, okay. Thought you had something in mind.
I mean,
You could do garlic.
create
bread.
something.
You
Yeah.
have butter.
Yes.
You have garlic powder.
Yes. Yep.
Salt, pepper.
Yep.
Have parsley and oregano. I can make garlic bread.
Have parsley. I don't have oregano.
Well, basil would work.
Okay.
Basil and parsley. So you could definitely make garlic bread if you like garlic bread.
Oh yeah. Let's do it. Well, you're making chicken breast. I'm over here making pork and beans. That's about to spill over.
Live on the edge, guys. Let's live on the edge.
Yeah. See, she's right. Turning up to 9. Here we go. This is scary. This is where I'm literally fearing for my life. Okay. Just gonna move away a little bit as it gets hotter. It's doing good. It's doing surprisingly good for all that heat that it's taking. Oh, wait. Oh. It's on boil. Pretty sure this is taking up a whole lot of space on your phone. These videos, file size are like.
I never really pay attention until it runs out, which I have not run out on it because I don't have much on
Yeah. Alright, y'all. Y'all think it's done?
it. I think it's done.
Yeah.
The top's boiling, the bottom's gotta be burnt.
Yeah. Oh, Lord. Yeah. We think it's done. So, catch us in the next video. Like and subscribe. All right.